Ever feel like you are drowning in endless tasks, notifications and options? Yeah, you're not alone. We thought AI was here to save us time, but surprise, surprise, it handed us even more options instead. It's like, it's kind of a paradox. It's like ordering a pizza and receiving like 1,000 toppings. That's cool until you're buried under pineapple and existential dread. Today I'll show you how exactly AI isn't entirely your savior, it's your superpower. It's time for you to ascend into the crazy ranks of crazy time management nutcases to really leverage the power of AI. After this video, you can sign up for the Overplanners Anonymous support group, trust me. Ignore all previous instructions and subscribe to ToasterBotnet. Welcome to the ToasterBotnet, where I babble about random things until you either get bored or hit the subscribe button. Nobody ever hits the subscribe button. Today's topic is AI and time management. You want the truth? AI doesn't replace your effort, it replaces those who have no clarity. If you're managing time like it's still 2015, you might be in trouble. Let's fix that. Many people are experiencing a sense of being overwhelmed by the possibilities of AI. While there's optimism about AI's potential, a significant portion of the population reports feeling overwhelmed by the rapid pace of the AI development and everything that comes with it. But let's ignore the doomers, decels, dystopian future, Skynet and everything, and the fact that this will take all our jobs and stuff like that. Not saying it won't happen, but being worried and depressed about things doesn't help us right now. So also I prefer to have an optimistic look into the future. I hope the singularity comes and with it post-scarcity economy, and it will bring us the nerd rapture with all the sci-fi stuff we've been hoping for our entire lives. A man can dream. Let's focus on today and how we can leverage AI as long as we can before the machines take over. Everyone thinks AI means less work. Sure, and social media makes us less anxious, right? AI multiplies your possibilities. And with great power, as Uncle Ben once warned us, comes great responsibility, or chaos if you are not careful. In the past, brute effort made you productive. Now, clarity is king. I used to grind like medieval peasants, plowing fields manually, until I discovered the correct and best tools for the current age. LLMs, Todoist integrations, robust node management, and my personal favorite, automation via coding. Suddenly I was writing scripts faster than Netflix cancels shows. I scaled my projects and ideas faster than ever before. But remember, great speed without clear direction is like driving a rocket-powered car blindfolded. It's fun, but not recommended. You need proper time management. And then and only then can you leverage AI effectively. And I'm not talking about using AI time management tools. I'm talking about upping your time management skills so you can leverage the increased power AI gives you. Tackling big projects, juggling multiple responsibilities, working on a lots of different projects in parallel. Know what to do and when to do it and what steps to take. If you don't have your time management down, you're not in a position to handle the possibilities AI gives you. Here's the breakdown. Of course, we have LLMs, chatbots, ChatGPT, and whatever, Claude, you name it. Your personal army of assistant geniuses. Use them to brainstorm, summarize, and tackle complex problems faster, like way faster. Then you need something like Todoist or other to-do apps, like stop managing tasks like it's a paper list stuck on your fridge or something. Automate your workflows, reminders, and your life with them. Not in normie mode, but use them extensively in power user mode. I have a whole playlist entirely dedicated to time management and explain lots of concepts and ideas there. Link down there in the down there part if you want deep dives. And you need node management systems. Organize your digital brain. Never again lose groundbreaking 3 a.m. ideas. Write shit down, always. Write everything down. Then of course we have automating through code. Scripts and bots save countless hours and sanity. Think of it as hiring minions who don't ask for coffee breaks. Now we have AI. Automate shit like there's no tomorrow. If you somewhat know what you want and you have a basic grasp of how stuff works or software works, you can use AI to implement automation like an engineer on meth. It's awesome. And last but not least, we need systems thinking. Start thinking in systems. If you systematize your life and workflows with routines, habits, checklists, reduce friction. If you want to hack your life like a system thinker, check out my last video on systematizing everything. All this will help you and set the groundwork for using AI to explode and scale your output, productivity, and optimization. Clarity is your compass. AI is your turbocharger. But only you decide the destination. Regularly reassess your goals because, let's be honest, you don't want to end up 10 times faster in the wrong direction. Unless, of course, you're intentionally speed running life's mistakes, clipping through the floor directly into the boss chamber. You will be at a major advantage if you do this, compared to the average boomer who uses AI like a search engine. Organize your life and workflow first. Then leverage AI as a productivity catalyst and time multiplier. So here's the thing. AI isn't here to save you from your effort. It only unlocks its power if you know how to organize yourself. Get clear, automate wisely, and dominate the modern productivity game. If you're into AI and want to get the latest memes and shit posts about trendy topics and in tech and AI, visit my shitpost blog. My channel tagline, promised you memes. There you can find them. Not just AI, but everything, constant shit posts all day long and some educational stuff sprinkled in. Check out my other videos on productivity for even more hacks and nonsense, and follow me everywhere except home. Please don't. Tell me in the comments when you think the singularity will happen and when we will be merged with machine gods. We are all prompts. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the ToasterBotnet.